I started doing my makeup, I didn't know much about it. I used to find it so expensive. But today, with time, I found few products which are not only good but also very affordable. Today, I have done this simple makeup look by using all the products under rupees 200. And if you want to know more about it, please keep on watching. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and click on that bell icon. So let's get started. So we are going to start with the toner, and for that I have taken Dabur Gulabari Premium Rose Water, and I have done this cotton and I'm going to apply it all over my face. On the damp skin, I'm going to apply a moisturizer, and I'm going to take the Nivea one today. After the moisturizer, I'm going to apply the primer, and today I'm going to take the Blue Heaven primer. It's a very nice primer, have a silicone texture and very nice. It fills out, it blurs out all the pores from your face and leaves a good surface for the makeup. There are many options of BB cream and CC cream. You can choose any one of them. But today I'm going to apply the Pond's BB cream, which is my personal favorite with SPF 30 in that. So for that, I'm going to dab my skin. Next thing is compact powder. For that, I'm going to take the Maybelline compact powder. Going to spread it all over my face. It's going to lock everything in and going to help me out if I'm sweating. So it's going to help me out to keep my makeup on place. I have this brilliant blush with me from Blue Heaven. Again, it's a very nice blush in a peach color. So it's very nice. So I'm going to take the brush and we're going to smile, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheeks. With this blush only, I'm going to apply this on my eyes also, and it is going to work as an eyeshadow too. Give a nice tint and it becomes an eyeshadow. It works as an highlighter also. It has some sparkles in it. For the eyebrows, I have this eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty, and it has this brush also, which is really very nice. And I'm going to just brush off my eyebrows first to know the shape of your eyebrows, and then you have to fill it in. You just have to fill in your eyebrows. Don't overdo it, otherwise it's going to look very fake to you and to others. Just fill in wherever you have the gaps in your eyebrow, just fill into that. And after applying this, again you can take this brush again and just tame this so that there are no harsh lines. For the liner, I have Lakme. When I was in college, since college I'm using this, and it gives me a deja vu because every time I apply this, I get all the memories back of my college and my school, because at that time we didn't know any other brand than Lakme. For the Kajal, I'm going to again take the Lakme one and going to fill it. The Kajal is such an important part whenever I don't wear makeup, and while going to office. I just like to just apply the Kajal and lipstick, and I'm done for my office. So next I have with me is Blue Heaven Mascara, which is a friend of all the girls. I just love applying mascara. Just be careful because this one is a bit liquidy. It's very nice, but it is very liquidy. It takes time to dry, and then it gets to your eyes, and then you have to wait for some time after applying. We're going to fill our lips with this Insight Makeup Essentials, which is a non-transfer lip color. Here I'm going to use the Red Alert. It's a very nice lipstick and it is non-transferable for like few hours. So my makeup today was done with all the products under 200. There are many products in this which are also under 100 rupees, which you can buy from any site, and I'm going to give you all the information in the description below. You can check out all the sites which sells beauty products at very cheap rates and many brands which are very nice and affordable according to your budget. So that was all from my side today. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do like, share and subscribe my channel right now and click on that bell icon, and see you in next video.